find the fight a little bit difficult.
Elle te félicite pour ta victoire et à quel point tu as trouvé ce combat difficile, dans la difficulté. Tu l'évalueras combien dans la difficulté ce combat?
Merci beaucoup d'abord. Et tactiquement, ça a été très très dur parce que il a peu débité, il s'est peu découvert et voilà, on a essayé de rentrer dans sa tête au maximum.
First of all, thank you very much. David said it at the level tactical, it was a very tough fight because Harlem put the pressure, but he landed few shots and he gave few spaces for David. It's easier when a fighter, an opponent, tries to land more shots to give more opportunity to counter. At the level tactical, he needed to stay very focused, but he did the job. Est-ce que tu souhaiterais un rematch contre lui?
Moi, je n'exclus rien et c'est mon promoteur qui décide. Mais tout d'abord, on va savourer la victoire et on verra à l'avenir comment ça se déroule.
He's saying in the boxing business everything is possible. He said his promoter will decide for him. As he said, everything is possible, but I would like to say David had 10 fights in 12 rounds in his career. It's the 12 rounds, it means international level fights. It's a lot of experience. He's 35 years old, and tonight he proved he deserved a title shot, a world. He's ready for that. He fought against Liam Parrott, the actual world champion in the welterweight division in Australia. He lost the fight by decision, but everybody had seen the fight and had seen it was a controversial decision. David, in our opinion, won this fight in Australia and is the true number one, the true world champ in the IBF division.
Was Harlem as tough as what was expected tonight?
Est-ce que Harlem a été plus difficile que ce qu'elle t'attendait de lui?
Oui, parce que je savais que son bras avant allait très vite, mais je pensais pouvoir le toucher plus nettement par moment. Après, voilà, j'ai pas fait tout correctement, mais Harlem est un boxeur très très dur à boxer.
Yes, it was tougher than expected because it's difficult to touch Harlem. Before the fight, David thought to have the capacity to touch easier, but he's saying it's very difficult to box Harlem Eubank. Harlem has a difficult style.
In Australia, it was the decision didn't go your way, and you felt it should have. Is that why you pressed for knockdowns this time out? Is that why you went for the knockout move?
Est-ce que c'est à cause de la tournure de la décision et du combat en Australie que tu as été à la recherche du knockdown cette fois-ci?
Non, le KO est venu, les 3 knockdowns sont venus naturellement. Maintenant c'était le but, vraiment de le faire venir à moi, de lui montrer que c'était à lui de faire le sale boulot et bien entendu de le contrer. Je sais pas s'il était déjà tombé dans sa carrière au banque, mais voilà, le but ultime c'était de le contrer et puis de le faire dormir.
Yes, he's saying his main goal was against Harlem was to he's not looking for the knockout because in boxing the best way to never find the knockout it's to looking for that too much, you understand? And he needed to be technical, tactical on work on the mistakes of Harlem to counter. It's what he did, but in Australia it was a little bit the same thing. In the first round, Parrott was saved by pay the bell, and he had one closed eye, and the referee and the judges and the doctor let Paro did 6 rounds with only one eye. It's totally forbidden in boxing. In all the countries in the world, the referee has to stop the fight. It's why it was very controversial. You can see the fight on YouTube if you want. You can see you both. It's why the new nickname of Liam Paro is the Cyclop, the Queensland Cyclop now.
He's obviously Paro. He's got the IBF title. That fight's rematch has gotten bigger already. Is he confident of beating him this time? Well, officially beating him this time.
Yeah, il me demande si t'aimerais avoir un rematch contre Paro. Et je dis, personally, I believe the Australian people never will want a rematch against David. They escape from a big trap, and now they know the truth. And with the long trip and the metabolic impact, with a so long trip at the end of the wall, David was, in the opinion of all the team, coach, physical trainer, at maximum 60% in Australia. But he did the job. He won the fight at 60%. In France, for example, Paro never finished the fight. David, I'm sure 100%, I put my house in that David won before the 8 rounds by way of knockout, for sure.
So, David, if you can't get Liam Paro again, do you want the winner of Conor Ben Ryan Garcia?
Est-ce que ça te plairait de boxer le vainqueur de Ryan Garcia, Conor Ben? Si tu peux pas voir Paro. J'aimerais bien, dis oui parce que...
Mais moi
I'm saying say yes because it would be big money.
Big money, mais je suis ouvert à toute proposition. Voilà, je suis pas seul à décider. C'est la première fois aussi que je tombe ce soir, donc il y a beaucoup de remises en question sur l'avenir. Il y a la santé aussi qui rentre en jeu et ouais, c'est un travail d'équipe. Je monte sur le ring tout seul, mais il y a un gros travail d'équipe. Je suis pas le seul à décider, donc voilà.
David is saying in the ring a fighter is alone, but it's not an individual sport. You need a team. It's a team job. Understand? And he's open for everything, of course, because it's very ambition. He knows his world level since a long time. In boxing, everything is possible, but it depends a lot of things. We have to. It's the first time he was knocked down in this fight in the 7th round. First time in all his career. David never went to the canvas. He started boxing at kickboxing at the age of 5 years old. Between 5 years old and 50 years old, he did 350 kickboxing fights. After that, as an amateur, international amateur with French team, he did 150 fights amateur, and now 33 professional fights. More than 500 fights in his life. He's very experienced. You understand? But in all his life, in 30 years, first time he was knocked down tonight. Even in sparring, never. And he fought the best.
Why do you think that happened then?
Qu'est-ce qui va se passer maintenant? Holidays.
Big million, beaucoup de millions. Non, on verra. Beaucoup de repos.
Wait and
des
see.
vacances.
He need to recover.
Okay.
Yeah, he need holiday. He needs holidays. He need to recover. He need to pass time with
Si
the.
Conor Ben ou Garcia ils veulent me donner 2-3 millions, il y a moyen qu'on revienne à Londres.
If the money is here, we are ready totally to come back in London because we are living in the west of France, in Brittany. It's fly very short. 50 minutes to come here in London. It's shorter for us than to go in Paris. Paris is longer, and it's a very beautiful experience. I talked with Mr. Suelon, the organizer, and it's very possible you will see again David Papo fighting in UK.
Against who?
I don't know. It's too soon to say that. For example, I would like very much Jack Catterall, for example, Josh Kelly, even in super welterweight division for world title fight. David is ready to fight Josh Kelly in super welterweight division, Jack Catterall in welterweight division, Conor Benn, if you want, no problem. Since 2 or 3 years, David is talking about Conor Benn. It's not a problem for him. He's ready for any fighters in the UK, no problem.
He won the fight clearly, but was he worried about the judges' scorecards that they were going to take it away from him?
You know the game. It's always the same story. It's always a big performance in boxing to win a boxing fight in a foreign country. We pay to know that in Australia, and of course here in London, David said he had to do a lot of things. He took a lot of risk. He has the capacity, for example, to take less risks. I believe in France, this fight's much more easy for David. And at the end of the fight, he has not this cut in the face, you understand? But we are in London, we are in Harlem Eubank backyard. He needed to take risks. It's boxing game, you understand?
David, can you describe to me how it felt to actually beat Eubank in his home country?
Qu'est-ce que tu ressens là concrètement maintenant quand tu réalises que tu as battu Eubank dans son propre pays?
Et c'est une consécration après tant d'années de travail et c'est surtout magnifique dans le sens où j'ai déplacé énormément de monde de France pour ce combat-là et ils vont tous rentrer avec le sourire.
It's a big achievement after all this long career, and that make David more happy. It's to bring all these French fans in London in the Copper Box Arena and to make everybody happy, so happy. All the people, all the Frenchies will be in the pub tonight, will be very, very happy. Enjoy this time. It's an amazing night for everybody. And French team in football lost against England, I believe.
Still going, it's 4-0. Yeah.
What the score?
4-0.
4-0
Yeah.
for England. Yeah. He saved France tonight, David Papo.